Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. Today we are going to solve a very important problem from Module 3 Bumpus World problem. The question is, what is Bumpus World? Explain piece description of Bumpus World. So now let us understand what is Bumpus World. So the Bumpus World problem is a classical AI problem used to explain knowledge based agent. Another one is reasoning with incomplete information. Reasoning with incomplete information and logical inference. Now, what are the piece description of Bumpus World is? So, P stand for performance measure. So now let us understand it. So now as you can clearly see that this is a 4x4 grid. This is the agent which is standing in 1x1 and this is bumpers. What are the things comes under performance measure means it belongs to the agent. Agent means this is the agent. So now in performance measure 1000 coin will be rewarded if the agent comes out of the cave with gold, means the plus 1000 coin is rewarded if the agent comes out with the gold. And the another things is minus 1000 coin, or we can say that point penalty for being eaten by the bumpers or falling into the pit. So minus 1000 coin or point will be detected from the agent. Now the minus 1 point, or we can say it as coin, for each action by the agent, and minus 10 for using an arrow. This is for agent. Minus 1 for any action and minus 10 for arrow. Now the game end if the other agent die or came out from the cave. It means whatever the game is there, it will end after the agent came out from the cave without any gold or the agent is die. So this all things comes under performance. Now E stand for environment. Environment means this is a 4x4 grid room. The agent which is initially stand at 1,1 facing toward the right hand side. The location of the bumpers and gold are chosen randomly except first square of agent. All this comes under environment. So we can write it as 4x4 grid room is there and the agent is initially standing at 1,1. This is the agent initially at 1,1 and facing towards the right. The location means this is the location of bumpers and gold are chosen randomly except first square of agent, means 1,1. Now another one is action, or we can say it as actuators. So in these things, let us understand by this, the agent can move forward or turn left or right by the 90-degree. So if the agent grab the gold, this is used for pick up the gold grab if it is in the same square or as the agent, means this is the agent. If it is in the direction of gold, then the agent will grab the gold, otherwise he will not grab the gold. This is one term. Now another term is shoot. It means the action Shoot can be used to fire an arrow in a straight line in the direction of the agent is facing. This is the direction of agent. It will shoot in the direction where the agent is standing. Now comes to another point, which is climb. Climb means the action climb can be used to climb out the cave, but one from square 1, 1 means from this square 1, 1 the action of climb will be taken if it is in the 1, 1. Now another one is sensor. Sensor, this is for agent. The agent have 5 sensor, means in this square containing Wumpus and in the directly adjacent to the square, the agent will perceive a stench, means bad smell. Means this is the agent and this is our, let us consider this is a Wumpus. If it is in the adjacent, then it creates a smell which is called as in stench, means bad smell. If the square directly adjacent to the pit, the agent will perceive a breeze. Means if the square, let us consider there, this is a pit and this is a agent square. If it is adjacent to the agent square, it perceive a breeze, means bad smell. Now another thing is that if the square where the goal is in the agent will perceive a glitter, means this is the agent and this is a box for gold. If the gold is near to the agent, it will perceive a smell which is called glitter. This is the smell of gold. And when the agent is walk into the wall, it will perceive a bump smell, means the agent is walk to the wall, it will receive a smell which is called bump. And the last point is, which comes under sensor, means when the bumper is killed. Let us consider that this is a agent and this is a bumpers. If the bumpers will kill, the agent perceive the smell which is anywhere in the cave. So these all are things comes under sensor. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express Video for all.